I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing where indexes will matter. Run explain or explain analyze on slow queries and inspect full table scans. Once done, prioritize columns used in join, where, order by, and group by. Those give the most benefit. Make sure to examine cardinality and data distribution because high cardinality columns typically yield better index selectivity. Also factor in write frequency. Heavy inserts or updates change the cost-benefit. Now identify 1-3 candidate columns to move forward with. You design indexes to match real query patterns. Pick B-tree for range and general lookups, hash for pure equality, and GSD or GIN for full text or array operations. When creating composite indexes, order columns to match where and order by clauses, and place the most selective column first to reduce scanned rows. Also create covering indexes by including additional columns so queries can be served by index-only scans. Run create index concurrently if you need non-blocking builds on production tables. You validate changes by comparing explain analyze plans and wall clock timings before and after adding indexes. This proves their effectiveness. Once indexes are live, monitor for bloat and outdated statistics, scheduling reindex or vacuum operations during low-traffic windows to maintain performance. If you see no improvement, inspect the query plan, refresh statistics with analyze, and consider refactoring the query or adding a different index type. Quick troubleshooting tip. If a new index isn't used, drop it temporarily and test all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.